because obia ya me say hold and obia ba no so den crop work ade bia we take it time now we say ade a wo quality aye den pa sa no man is here say o ma we say aye ba bia say wa kan do kura wo betena ho kire mu saa wo ko ba no ntua bribe wo wu kura ngai you can say when you correct why you institutionalize corruption has been institutionalized. I'm saying no say when you corrupt you am found can depend because when you correct ko ba no ntua bribe nya ba bia ngura and now I move from just say the entire I cancer I very cancerous ni nyina agina saa ne ma politics ni mintumi nya adwuma syndrome ni yi and na ba bi so ka ho pa ba ko ye nso ha ye elections na ekono ska wo tua no at polling station level ni yi no me ska no wen as a chief executive ya state owned enterprise ya na tua ska na kesi de wini wo primaries and a highest teachers say o man I didn't seriously so sure be I could do passes in ma reversing them will be very, 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 very difficult. And the papa no cause you stroke with emotion.
Yeah.